What is going on, everybody? James at Blue Eye Tech. I'm here to give you my unboxing of the back button attachment for the DualShock 4. Now, once we get the box open, the very first thing you're going to notice before you get to the device itself is actually this little piece of paperwork over here that we're just going to kind of set off to the side and not even worry about. Now, once that's taken care of, all you have to do is take out the device itself. It's actually wrapped up in this cardboard along with some more paperwork actually in the cardboard along with it. And we're just going to throw that over here off to the side and not really worry about that as well. And just get to the device itself. After you take it out of the two pieces of cardboard, you'll take it out of this plastic wrap that it's in, and you'll just be left with the device that hooks up to your DualShock 4 controller. So I have to say my first impressions of this device is definitely a good quality device. It does feel good in the hands. It does not feel cheap, even though it's all plastic design. It does have a headphone jack pass-through, so if you do want to use your wired headphones, you can. I do like the fact that they include that. But yeah, overall, this definitely feels good. If you guys want to catch my full review of this device, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon so you guys don't miss that notification. And as always, it's been James at Blue Eye Tech. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.